Welcome to this fundamentals lesson plan on project standards and setup. In this video, we'll take a look at exploring how to insert a title block into a Revit project. This is video 6 of 7. My name is John Harridge. I will be your host for this lesson plan. Now let's take a look at the learning objectives for video 6. At the end of this lesson, you'll be able to insert a title block created in a previous lesson in a new Revit project, and then we will modify some of those properties for that title block inside this project. With that, let's get started. Let's begin this exercise by creating a new project. Go ahead and click on New, click Browse, and then choose the default RTE template. Click Open, and then click OK to accept. In this exercise, we will load the custom title block that we created in the previous project. All right, to do so, go ahead and click the View tab, click Sheet. You'll notice that our custom title block doesn't appear in the list, so we'll click Load, and then navigate to your tutorial directory, and then go ahead and select a landscape.rfa, and then click Open. Your custom title block should be selected now. Go ahead and click OK to accept. The title block appears in the graphics window. A new sheet has been added to Project Browser and is the current view. Let's go ahead and make some changes to the title block. Move your cursor into the canvas window and place the title block into a selection set by left-clicking the title block. And then in the Properties palette, let's fill in some information in the Identity Data group area. For the sheet name, go ahead and enter Student Project. For Drawn By, enter La Ray King. For Checked By, enter Miss Willis. And then click Apply to have those properties display in the title block. And the cool part of that is it happens instantaneously. Next, go to the Manage tab, Settings panel, and select the Project Information tool. Here, let's go to the project issue date and enter a new value. Go ahead and enter 12/12/2014 and click OK to continue. Now all the properties have been updated in the title block as entered. All right, let's go ahead and save the file to our working folder. And let's give it the name of Project Standards Exercise 6, Finished. Then click Save button to complete the process. This concludes this exercise. Let's take a look at next steps. In review of this lesson, you were able to insert a title block created in a previous lesson into a new Revit project. And then we modified some of the properties of the title block inside the new project so you could see that it could update in real time. With that, let's take a look at some Autodesk resources. I would like to make you aware of two specific Autodesk resources. The first one being the Autodesk Education Community, where you can access free software for both students and educators, and that can be located at www.students.autodesk.com. It does require registration, and you can use either your own personal email address or a school-issued email address. The second resource is the Autodesk Digital STEAM Workshop. It's hands-on, project-based learning across multiple industries such as architecture, engineering, gaming, and animation. And those resources are located at www.digitalsteam.autodesk.com. This concludes this exercise. Thank you very much for watching.